Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do Doctor Who. It's gonna be reacting to Legend of the Sea Devils, the special episode, one of Jodie's final episodes. I think this is the second to last episode for her run as the 13th Doctor. No, I reacted to the first couple. No, sorry, I reviewed the first couple episodes of her first series. That was like a few years ago, and I done a little mini reaction to her reveal video. So I've been here since her start with this channel. That did a different format then, but things change. We're gonna get a new doctor, so that's interesting. I'll give you my thoughts on Judy as the doctor at the end of her run when we get her final episode, her final special. And it's gonna be interesting. Chibnall is also going with her, and RTD is gonna take over control again, and that should be fun, because it's first run with Eccleston and Tennant. That was good. Some low points, some high points, but overall very good. And then Moffat took over. Moffat, I like Moffat. But back to RTD, Ryan, and Mr. Davies, and so it should be a good ride when he's back there, and we'll find out soon who the 14th Doctor is. But that's for another time. Today is Legend of the Sea Devils, and let's get into it. Nice outfit. I liked it.
If anything happens to me, the duty passes to you.
Something's gonna happen to him. Your duty is gonna pass to this guy right here. Is that the Sea Devil? It's not an actual statue. It's a encasing stone. I don't know, some mineral. Yeah, but it's just some mineral encasing of the creature.
I said stop.
And now he's escaping. Yep, something happened to him. As I said. But part for the course. Someone's always gotta have something to fall into them in the first part of the episode. February Doctor episode. Ella Road and Chris Chibnall, Legend of the Sea Devils.
What are you wearing?
What she gave me? Too much.
Way too much.
Yeah, way too much, brother. Oh, this is a lot of murder for a Doctor Who episode. Like straight up.
What is that?
You think such feeble material can hold me, can hold any of my kind?
Ah, it's more Sea Devils.
We're never gonna get that beach holiday, are we?
No, you're not. Oh, she survived. Wonder why everybody else got killed except her.
I know who she is, but I don't think she did this.
She didn't do it.
Zheng Shi. Zheng Yasu or Madam Ching. Who are you? Madam Ching! Pirate Queen! I'm the Doctor. This is Yaz and Dan. Sorry about his outfit. What was on here?
An ocean demon. She killed my father and she released the
That she
demon.
did? Oh wait, no, she didn't kill his father. But indirectly she did, yeah. Oh, giant underwater creature. Like the Kraken in Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, the net is the least you have to worry about, my dude. You're not worried about that net at all. You have bigger problems.
Crossed paths once or twice. Where did they come from? Ah, slight wrinkle there. Earth. They were here before humans.
Like the Silurians. Sea Devils and Silurians.
I don't understand. Where are her crew? That's what I was just thinking. This will make it easier to kill her. Whoa! Nobody said anything about killing. I have to avenge my father. Son.
He really
don't stand a
doesn't.
chance. Yeah, there's two of us. You must be pretty good at fighting if you survive to be. 70? 60? 42?
He's not 42, he's older than 42. That man don't look no 42.
You've got no crew.
Yeah, why doesn't she have crew? Oh no, it's not immunity.
This isn't a mutiny.
Jihan is the one, yo. Off my stuff. Nobody else but me on this thing. Mine.
Water. Shipwreck. Bottom of the ocean. I know. I love being at the bottom of the ocean.
It's a
Are
spaceship,
you all gonna open
maybe.
those doors? Oh yeah.
If they can survive in space, they can survive underwater.
Oxygen bubble. And I reinforced it with an aqua shield as well, just in case.
Oh yeah, very much so. Oh, that looks nice.
Spectacular.
Very visually appealing. This is the date now. This is a date. Okay.
No. Something's missing.
Yeah, some lead up to this little relationship thing here.
I always thought that I'd learn the constellations, but then I just downloaded an app on my phone. But I haven't got my phone with me.
I don't understand half the words you say.
Yeah, sometimes we don't understand what he's saying either.
I could lose my sons.
Oh damn, our sons are in the crew.
How old are the boys?
Oh,
3
oh,
and 6.
they weren't like really part of the crew, they were just
I promised I'd return with the treasure as released people.
they were just on the ship. Okay.
The longer I take, the less likely I am to see them again.
Motivation. That's not gonna do much against that thing. Yo. Box that way, say. I respect it.
You talk to secure yourself time to think.
All right, don't need the analysis. Anyway,
He's
you're
right. That's why she's talking.
The other land crawler.
Well, he's in stasis.
Is it safe? The
creatures cannot be allowed to have it back.
It's probably with the son of the guy that died at the start.
I've got the keystone. And if I'm gonna let you
I don't remember seeing anything with him though. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention. But he probably has it somewhere. A little bit of Matt Smith callback, was that? Yeah, that was his first time, Geronimo. I think, yeah.
You want to create chaos. Melt the ice. Shift the current. Change the pressure until the whole Earth is flooded.
We're reclaiming what was ours. It is our right, and it is our time.
Waterworld, Kevin Costner. I've never seen a movie. I just know it's a great reference. Not surprising. Yaz is okay. Sword fighting since she was trained to be athletic, and she was athletic, so she might have taken fencing lessons. Bit of a stretch, but I don't know. But it's more really whether Yaz is good at sword fighting than Dan is. Oh, he's gonna become a parrot after this with Jiho and Madame Ching.
Only to be used in emergencies.
What, like the imminent flooding of the entire planet?
That's kind of an emergency.
No one, no sea devil, no human will be able to leave for a very long time. We'll be able to get out first, though, right?
Of course, yeah.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Definitely.
Definitely. One of those.
Of course.
I think you're one of the greatest people I've ever known. You're my wife. You what? Oh, I wasn't going to mention that. It was a long time ago. I was a different man back then. But the
Yeah,
point
she was a
is,
different
if it
man.
was going to be anyone,
No time for this, 2 minutes.
Yaz, you have to go. Get the others out. I'll keep this in place.
No, you go. I'll hold it.
I can't ask you to do that.
The world out there isn't mine, but if I can help preserve it for others, all those centuries will not have been for nothing.
You truly are a legend.
He's doing that thing like that guy with the master on Gallifrey, where he stayed back while he let the doctor leave. Yeah, I don't remember his name, but yeah, that old guy. Same kind of thing. Oh yeah, what happened to Washin? That creature thing.
What do I even tell my crew? That you vanquished mythical creatures to bring them home. No one will ever believe. That's what makes a good legend.
True. Very true.
We should get you back to your village.
Yeah.
He's not going back to the village. He's a parrot now.
I can't fix myself to anything. Anywhere. Or anyone.
She did. She really can't. Nope.
I've never been able to.
Not in her makeup.
It's what my life is.
Doctor is a rolling stone.
Yeah, of course. Not because I don't want to.
Because she has to.
Because I might.
She's the Dark Knight.
My nanny says, courage is knowing something will hurt and doing it anyway. Mind you, she also said it's the definition of
Both true. Yeah, big up your nanny.
I wish this would go on forever.
Nothing is forever. No regeneration, no life. Beware of the forces that mass against you.
Ace, I haven't heard from the doctor for nearly 4 decades. Just because it's only 3 decades for me.
Welcome to the end of your existence.
Okay, so that was interesting. It wasn't before I forget, let me speak while I remember. We're getting some old companions back. I remember the name Ace. I recognize that. I haven't watched a lot of classical, just like a few of like old, the first Doctor. Few of that. I started it years back, but I didn't get to finish. Like a few episodes here and there. So I just know because I've been on the Doctor Who forums and all that, of various sites. Recognize the name Ace. So. I don't know who the other past companion was, if that was a past companion. I figure it's a past companion, but I don't know. So back to the episode. So that will be interesting to see. We'll get that next episode for that special. Right, so to the episode. Okay. So it was decent watch. It wasn't great. No, it wasn't horrible. It was average. The visuals were pleasant for the most part. There were a few like wonky bits, but I'm not gonna. It's a TV show with a limited budget. I'm not gonna harp on it for that. I'm not gonna knock it down for that really. Story was fairly okay, just a little, we have the, what's it called again? The Sea Devils, their blood, the Sea Devils. Alright, we didn't get the name of that lead guy, did we? Or if we did, I don't remember. It was unmemorable. Refer to it. Just refer to them as Sea Devils. Right. So they wanted to find the keystone to flood the world, to assert their dominance again over the earth. Okay, I can dig it. Makes sense. And so, of course, once they mentioned the keystone, we knew it would be with the sun, and so I was wondering why I didn't see it because it was undisclosed. So okay, good on them for putting that in there. So I didn't see it. Okay, nice touch. Acting for the mains and for basically everybody, it was good. I like it. For what's it called name? The head Sea Devil guy. I don't know, the mouth moving kind of like with the, I'm not sure if it was prosthetics or CGI, just kind of off-putting a bit, but I got used to it. But I don't know, maybe they could try to do something else with that. I don't know, man. And so it was just like it wasn't like an enjoyable experience, but it wasn't a horrible experience. It was okay. That's how I felt for most of Chibnall's run, so no surprise this lives up to that. So, it's, if you were eagerly anticipating watching this, if you were eagerly anticipating watching this episode, this special, you were gonna be disappointed if you just went into it like it's Doctor Who. I like Doctor Who, and I'm gonna watch it and I'm gonna enjoy myself watching Doctor Who. Then you're gonna enjoy yourself watching Doctor Who because it's Doctor Who. It's not bad Doctor Who, so you're gonna get a good time. And that's what I experienced. And just Sea Devils trying to flood the world so they can live before the line crawlers humans has before as they did before humans took over, and they had this giant kraken-like monster, this giant fish thing, where I missed what happened to that. So I don't know if it did happen. I missed it. I don't remember that thing just disappeared to my eyes. I'm just guessing it got sucked in with everything dense. I like Ji-hun as a character, yeah, and Madam Chin, like her as a character. It was really just about the characters for me, and like how visually appealing it was, and it's a nice little romp, a little adventure by Bilbo. And so Doctor Who. That's what it was, Doctor Who. That's the best description I can give it. Alright, until next time. Bye.